Have you ever experienced a rough idle? And if yes, do you know there are a number of reasons that might cause this rough idle? And then welcome back to Bill Green Auto, where your safety is our priority. Idling means leaving a vehicle's engine running for over a minute while it's stationary. The best idle RPM is 800, of which it depends with the range or in what condition the vehicle is starting or idling at. For example, we have a warm idle, of which it ranges from 600 to 800 RPM. We have a cold start, which ranges from 1000 to 1200 RPM. We have with load, which is most probably the AC or the lights on, the RPM is roughly at 1000 RPM. As we are focusing on rough idle, there are a number of issues that can cause this to happen. But today, we are focusing on one component, and that is the AIC. And this is the idle air control valve. This valve is located along the air inlet around the throttle body. As this is in question, a dirty AIC valve can cause a rough idle, and therefore professional cleaning is advised using a throttle body cleaner. After cleaning, it is advised that you check if the gasket for the AIC is okay before refixing. And that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe to Bill Green Auto so that you don't miss out on our next upload.